Hi guys, this is Madeline reporting live from Cancun, Mexico. I mean, like, I'm recording this, but it's not going to be up until after our honeymoon vlog. I figured it would be fun to just film a little tutorial of getting ready while I'm on vacation, because I'm not like doing fake eyelashes or anything extensive. It's just a very easy, quick makeup tutorial to use while you're on vacation. So I hope that you guys find this helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit that little subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. And let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so not gonna lie, I have like a little bit of a headache after being like on the beach all day, same as yesterday, like drinking all day. Okay, so I already have the Neutrogena Hydroboost Hyaluronic Acid Gel Moisturizer on my face. I am so darn mad, you guys, because I forgot my makeup primer. Who just forgets their darn tootin' makeup primer while going to a different country? Apparently me. Right now, I would be using the Supergoop Matte Sunscreen Primer. It's incredible. I will have an image of it right over here. I am so disappointed in myself for forgetting that, you guys. Okay, so obviously my skin was not ready for this Mexican sun the way that I thought that it would be ready. Like, you guys, I woke up this morning and I had blisters on my nose. They've dried down a little bit, but my forehead is just like beet red. But let me show you how good this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation covers up redness. Oh shoot, that's right. I bought these cheap little pumps from Amazon, but it will not pump this foundation through. So we're just gonna open it up, dab this on my face. This shade is in 3N1, and I am using my new Beauty Creations beauty sponge to blend this out. You guys, this is the best, hands down, absolute best foundation sponge I have ever found. So obviously this is a super quick makeup tutorial, not good lighting. I'm filming this on my iPhone, but we are just making it work because I thought that this would be a fun little video to post for you guys. So I am just getting the foundation patted into my skin. And I will tell you what, you guys, I did my makeup for our dinner last night and my face was so oily so fast. So my Supergoop Matte Screen makes a crazy difference in controlling my oils. Do you guys see how well it covered up like the red cheeks? Elijah and I have had the most amazing honeymoon, you guys. Like, I am so grateful. Any expectation was exceeded. And this was the perfect length of vacation too. So 2 days of traveling, 3 days at the resort, and it's just right. I mean, we're definitely dreading a little bit the fact that we have a whole day of traveling tomorrow, but it's okay because thank the good Lord, our COVID tests were negative. You have to have a negative COVID test report printed out or a digital copy to show the screeners or whoever before you board the airplane back to America. We were like, oh my gosh, if we get stuck in America, that is going to like double the price of our trip right then and there. But nope, at the time that we were expecting, we get to be home with our kitties. We can't wait. We haven't opened up our wedding cards or gifts yet, so we have that waiting at home for us. We are very excited. Like, we have enjoyed our time so much here, but it's also a blessing to be able to be excited to go home, you know, like, it's just a good feeling. But it is definitely great to get away for a little while, get a good break. Yeah, my nose is definitely still blistering. We're just gonna let her do her thing. Gosh, this light is not like helping me out right now, but I hope that you guys can see how well that really did cover my sunburn. I mean, I would say it covered it by 80%, hands down. Now I am going in with my Dior Forever Skin Concealer. This is in the shade 0N. I just have my little hotel mirror right here. Oh my gosh, can this mirror stop shaking? I've had too many margaritas for this to be shaking right now. Alright, just going in with my same beauty sponge. Last night we ended up getting sushi. It was Elijah's first time actually trying sushi and he enjoyed it. Oh my goodness, there is nothing else I would recommend other than staying in the Golden Parnassus all-inclusive resort, adults only. It has been amazing. I cannot get over the fact that I left my makeup primer at home. And also, I didn't pack a normal bra. Like, all I have are the little sticky bras that I have like over my nips right now. There's just some things that you do not realize that you forgot until you need them in the moment. All right, so now I'm just further blending my concealer on my nose, underneath my eyes with the Sigma F03 brush. Next up, going in with my trusty one and only Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. So just going to put an even layer of this all over my face. So like I said, this video will be up after our honeymoon vlog. I cannot wait to get that all put together, you guys, as soon as we get home. And that is something that we have forever to cherish. Now I am going in for my nose contour with the Dior Backstage. Now I am using this neutral olive undertone shade right here. Going in with my finger to apply it. I will tell you guys what, the absolute best advice that I got for our wedding day was from my Uncle Jeff in California. Love my uncle so darn much. He told me to not make our wedding day the best day of our lives. And that hit me in a whole different way, because I was like, oh, you're right. He's like, because you are gonna have so many more amazing days after this one. And I was like, you are so right. Like, you expect it. I think especially as a woman, you expect to grow up and your wedding day is the most amazing day of your life. Well, I will tell you guys what, like, I loved our wedding day so much, but once the ball got rolling, I was so stressed out and I was so nervous. And those nerves did not stop. Like, before walking down the aisle, I was holding my bouquet and I was just trying to sniff them to get relaxed. I was like, oh my God. It's like the nerves just don't stop. I mean, like, for instance, so I was nervous the whole day. I look back on it the day after our wedding day and I'm like, oh my gosh, like nothing really went wrong. It's just one of those things. You think you're gonna do amazing on your wedding day. I straight up had a patient told me, he was like, you are gonna do so amazing. You will be so calm about everything until your wedding day. And I was like, freaking A, they were right. Anywho, I'm gonna go in for the rest of my contour with this Natasha Denona Sculpting Powder in the shade Medium 02. And this is the Marc Jacobs, the blush brush. Although I would never use this for blush. Now I am going in with the Marc Jacobs Tastic Bronzer. There we go. Just getting things evened out a little bit. I mean, it's hard when you have a beet red forehead. I'm like, ready to sleep. Okay, so for blush, I'm going in with exactly what I wore on our wedding day. This is the Lawless Vintage Love Blush. Beautiful, neutral, muted, rosy tone shade. All right, next up for highlight, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Indiscrétion. Oh, there we go. This is such a gorgeous natural toned highlight, you guys. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. This is also what I wore on my wedding day. Actually, when I was doing my wedding day makeup for the actual day, I was also packing my makeup for a trip the next day at the same time. I was like, oh, done with the powder, pack that in. So a lot of this makeup is the same makeup. Also just going to highlight my nose really quick. Just a little something. Oh my gosh, I packed my eyelash glue on accident. Oh wait. This is mascara. When you see this from behind, this totally looks like my Lily Lashes eyelash glue, but it is not. All right. I am just going to move this mirror closer to me here as I do these. Colourpop Brow Boss in the shade Medium Brown. Actually, dark brown, dark brown. So I just start by brushing my eyebrows upwards and then drawing a line underneath my eyebrow. Next up, we will be using Flonase. Just kidding, kinda, not really. I just have so much pressure in my face. Okay, now actually, we will be moving on to a Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Styling Wax. I am first going to be brushing this wax through my eyebrows. This step just makes your eyebrows look so natural instead of so drawn on, you know? Ooh, I need water. Next up, I am going in, well, it smells like I want this out of the way. I am going in with my KKW Beauty Eye Contour Palette. So I am first using the shade Light 1 here. With my finger, I will be applying this all over my lids. Just really evens everything out. Alright, then I am going in with the dual-ended brush that comes in her stock with this palette. Going in with the fluffy side and with Light 2. I'm going to start by blending this into my crease. You also do not need to go out of your way to buy this eyeshadow palette. I did because it's just the everyday colors that I use. But you can seriously do this stuff with just the bronzer that you have. I'm going in with the other side now. It's a bit more condensed and just going underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with my Indiscrétion highlighter again. And I am just going to put this in my inner corners. And then also use it as a brow bone highlight. Alright, one of the last steps is my eyelash glue. Now this is the mini Ilia, is it Limitless? Yep, lash mascara. This, you guys, is so darn good. I am absolutely going to purchase the full size of this once I run out of my Marc mascara. I'm just gonna get this close again. I did not bring my eyelash comb because I was like, I don't know if TSA would consider this a weapon. I mean, you could definitely just like with that, you know, a little self-defense moment. Oh, I forgot to use my setting spray. We'll do that after. This mascara is insane, and honestly, you do not even need a eyelash comb because it keeps your eyelashes very separated, but yet it gives them volume and like definitely a perfect mascara. Do you guys see that difference right now? I mean, come on, seriously. This mascara makes it look like you have fake eyelashes on. Alright, you guys, last up to this makeup tutorial are the lips. I'm first going to be prepping them with this Fresh Sugar Lychee lip balm. It smells so good. Now I will be going in with my KKW Beauty Nude 1 lip liner. Satin Rouge lipstick in the shade Margaret Candle Flame. And final step, I am going in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade So Cute. Love this. Best nude lip gloss I think I've ever used. Alright, you guys, that concludes this makeup tutorial. My shirt, by the way, is from Shein. Perfect for a honeymoon. Love the back of it too. Also, how darn cute is this knockoff Louis Vuitton makeup bag that I got from AliExpress. So freaking cute. I just actually, because I'm so proud of it. Like designer dupes, the bomb. Alright, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Again, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Also, please don't forget to check out my honeymoon vlog. That will be the first video linked down below. And keep an eye out for our wedding video from our videographer. Cannot wait to get it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye!